Gamers, I've got some bad news. If you're planning to upgrade your PC or buy a new graphics card, 2026 might become the most expensive year in PC history. And it's not because of inflation, not because of stores, and not even because of crypto miners. Something much bigger is happening. The world's biggest tech companies are taking over global chip production. And that means one thing: PC parts could get more expensive than ever. Why this is happening? AI companies are buying everything. OpenAI, Nvidia, Microsoft, Google, and Amazon are buying massive amounts of chips. They don't buy 10 GPUs, they buy hundreds of thousands at a time. A single Nvidia H100 costs up to $40,000, and big companies order entire warehouses of them. So factories prioritize AI chips over gaming GPUs. TSMC and Samsung are overloaded. There are only a few factories in the world that can make 3nm and 4nm chips, and almost all their capacity is booked. Apple took almost all 3nm for iPhones. Nvidia reserved huge capacity for Blackwell. AMD is waiting in line. Gaming GPUs are our lowest priority. HBM memory shortage. HBM memory is essential for AI. Demand is exploding. When memory prices go up, every component becomes more expensive. What will happen in 2026? GPUs will launch at much higher prices. RTX 5060 may cost the same as today's RTX 3060. RTX 5070 might launch at RTX 4080 prices, not because companies want more profit, but because chips themselves cost more. Budget GPUs are disappearing. It's simply not profitable to use factory capacity on cheap $200 cards. AI chips bring companies 100 times more money. Developing countries will get hit the hardest. Countries like India, Brazil, Philippines, Kazakhstan, South Africa, import taxes, shipping, reseller markup, limited stock. What costs $600 in the US can easily become $1,200 elsewhere. What should gamers do? Upgrade before 2026. If you are thinking about upgrading, 2025 might be your last chance to get good prices. Don't expect cheap new GPUs. New generations may be more expensive than older ones. Watch for remaining RTX 3000 4000 stock. When inventory runs out, prices will spike again. This already happened before. We're entering a new era. AI companies fight for chips the same way countries fight for oil. And unfortunately, gamers are last in line. If you want to upgrade, think ahead, because 2026 could change the PC market forever.